Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Actually, I have two charts for you, and they're kind of boring, old, sleepy, old Reits. The market is lately, let's be honest. But there are still some areas that are in nice uptrends. And the REIT section is one of them. You know, in market uncertainty, people are looking for some sort of yield. Now, these aren't, as we call it, Stock Market Mentor yield hogs, but they do offer a little bit of a dividend. We'll start things off here with CubeSmart. This is ticker CUBE. So CubeSmart is above all the major moving averages, and we have a little bit of a low handle here. You know, I'd say a proper handle would probably be up here in the 56 area, but with the market weakness, I'm not surprised that this isn't near the highs. A lot of things are down off of their highs, but we do have a nice short base here, kind of around the 53, 54 zone. So what I would look for on CubeSmart is either a break above that level right there, about 54.30, or potentially a little pullback bounce by around the 8-day exponential period moving average. Now, this level has acted as support over the last 2 weeks or so. And so if it doesn't act as support, well, then it's doing something different. You probably want to exit the trade. But that's what I would look for. Potentially a little pullback buy bounce, and then you'd add on a break higher above 54.30. The other REIT that I want to show you is NSA. Now, it's not that NSA, okay? It's not the NSA that listened in on your last phone call. It's National Storage Affiliate Trust. And the chart pattern pretty much looks the same. All the major moving averages, all above. And they're in order. 8, 21, 50, 200. So right there, it makes the cut for my stock selection. So what I want to see from here, kind of the same setup. Either a potential low-risk entry buy near the 8-day or the 21-day, and then it has to close above that level, or a breakout higher and, you know, kind of a move on volume above 64.70. I have an alert here at 64.66 just below, so if it gets close to that 64.70 level, I'll be alerted for it. I can flip it up on my screen here and take a look at it. So that's what I think we should be watching in this market as the market kind of figures out what it wants to do. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at Stock Market Mentor. You can take a trial, check out some tutorials, and more. StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.